Hi, welcome Priya. Upload videos twice a week on fashion, styling, beauty, reviews, DIYs, hacks, stitching, and tailoring. If you are interested in such videos, please do check out my videos. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. Also, do subscribe if you're interested to know when I upload a video. As we all put up the makeup when we have to get ready and go somewhere, and still end up thinking that our face is not looking good or we are not up to the mark, then here's the reason that we haven't done anything before makeup. This is how we can do a pre makeup, that is facial or cleanup at home. Here I am sharing a cleanup procedure which is easy, fast to do. First, I washed my face with a face wash. You could also cleanse your face before this, then wash it with a face wash and then wipe it off as you are seeing in the video. Next, after washing with the water, wiping it off, I'll be applying scrub. Now here in this video, I'll be using a scrub which I got for one-time use. I've seen many times we end up buying a big pack of a scrub, cream, facial kit which costs around 200 to 50 rupees, which is not affordable many a times. And sometimes we don't do it often, so the pack gets wasted. Instead, we can buy a single packet for single usage, use it and try it if it suits our skin. Also, this could be a trial, like, and then if you're okay with the product, we can go for a bigger pack. Procedure of application for any makeup facial would be usually in a circular direction. So I'm applying it in a circular direction. Wherever I feel my hand is getting dry, I'm applying either water, or you could use a rose water syrup which is for external usage, and then apply it in the same way as you can see in the video. Start applying from the forehead, then to your eyes, then nose, cheeks, and then to your chin. Then also do cover up neck portion as it is usually visible in most of our dresses. Then start again coming upward, cover up to the forehead, and then now wish to, you can now give a steam to your face, and then just keep a tissue paper to remove up the applied scrub. Yeah, I have skipped this procedure as I didn't feel it a need. I usually do it in winters, so I feel it better. And then if you wish to, you can go for it. After this, I then used a tissue paper to clean my face, washed my face, and then started up for the next time applying a peel off mask. This I'm using it for the first time. Otherwise, usually I use a face pack which is in a cream pattern, and then complete it. For applying this, you can start it from the downward direction and then go to the upward, or else it was in my packet it was to start from the upward direction and end it to the lower. So whenever you're using any packet or any facial kit, please read the instructions given at the backside and go accordingly. This is to give you an idea of how to use such facial kits for cleanup and for facial. Now, after application, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes till it gets dried. In case of face pack too, and if you are using a mask too, then once it gets dried, you can just peel it off. As you can see in the video, mine did come off well because I was using it for the first time. If you're a regular user, it will come off fast. Also, if you haven't tried it, it did suit my skin, so you can also give it a try. Now note, I'm using all three products, the face wash, the scrub, and the peel off mask from the same company. Now here I would recommend one thing: either use all these three products from the same company or from the same variant. Like one is of a papaya and cucumber. Use the other one, either cucumber or papaya. Then again either cucumber and papaya for the face mask, face wash, or face pack too, so that it gives you a much better effect than the one if you use all three from a different company or from a different flavors. It won't give you that good effect if you're using completely different. Also check out the products, what suits your skin much better and what suits your pocket much better, and then use accordingly. Earlier I have done a makeup video, and if you haven't checked it till now, please do check it. I'll mention the link in the description box below. Before that makeup I didn't do any cleanup, and if you do this kind of cleanup before any makeup a day or 2 days before, you will get a much better results. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below. If you liked it, please do give it a thumbs up, share it with your family, and do take care of yourself and family. Till then, I'll come up with a new interesting content. Keep smiling. Bye.